Howdy everybody, Brian here. We're going to talk about the cryptocurrency space today. I will tell you, I just did the analysis real time against Binance, the exchange. We are up. Okay, here's the stats for this bot. It's been doing really good, again, with also the forex, which is becoming a clear winner as well, combined 1.8 with the forex and 2.6 with the crypto. So that brings us up to 4.6, I believe. So our win-loss ratio in the crypto space is 86.95%. These are the current positions that have been taken. And I want to talk about these for a variety of reasons. A lot of people always sit there. Before I forget, two things. If you go to our website, there's two things. If you go to quantlabs.net book, download the opt-in and get the books that we have. That will help give you an idea how we do things. And so far with this lot, it's been going really good. As I was saying, as of last night, I've added now the forex P&L and all the into our track record. So for the last about 6 weeks or so, been able to get live track record up until the prior midnight local Eastern Standard Time. You can now get that, but as part of that, here starting today, March 27th, I'm including not only the crypto stuff, which includes the track history, the equity curve, on top of the positions, not the positions themselves, but the total return of change or rate of change for the day. Okay, so that's now been included not only for the crypto strategy, but what is appearing to be a big winner as well for the forex. So I'm very happy about it. So I'm now including it in this link here with the forex and crypto. So let's get back to what I was talking about. So today, if you are interested, you can track these positions right from Binance, the last day for the day of March 28th. My last video has shown you the spread cost of certain pairs that were proven to be profitable for that day, the same day, really. There are about 40 positions. So today, what we're talking about is which pairs in Binance do really, really well. So you can see here what we're referring to is EOS, and these are all against the stable coin of Ethereum. No Bitcoin and no XRP. So Ethereum's the clear winner. Don't ask me why. That's just the way it is. I'll take it. But the ones that do well for the podcast listeners is EOS, BNB, Dash, and one position of XMR. Okay, so those are the clear winners today. I'm going to show you why. A lot of people may be skeptical on this, and I don't give a rat's ass, but usually when I show this chart of BNB against Ethereum using Binance here on TradingView, normally shuts their little pie holes up. And you'll see why. So my strategy takes a lot, or bot takes a lot of these positions. This with Litecoin against Ethereum, even if you hold this daily, I think you would have to be really dumb not to take these positions, because as the chart loads up, you clearly see why. This is since the beginning of the year, so if I put in a year to date, you can see it's been steadily going up. Nothing but. This is a gimme opportunity. And when we break it down into daily, it goes flat, but again, generally it's pretty good. In here we have, it's a buy signal today, so it's pretty good. Litecoin's another one, but no positions today. Let me give you the report on the big five over the last hour. All these changes I'm going to give you are over the last hour. So right now the crypto risk, everything's negative. And this bot is pulling in a really, as I said, a really good percentage considering when it's negative. It has been very, very low, but it's never lost any money yet. But overall, the latest rate of change is 2.60% rate of change since midnight last night, my time, Eastern Standard Time. That's pretty good. So the other one that's been a clear winner, but no Litecoin today, is Litecoin against Ethereum. Hope that's Binance. Yeah, it's Binance. Here's the other big winner for the year. These two have been doing really well. BNB against Ethereum, Litecoin against Ethereum. This is what my system's trading. When people want to be skeptics, I don't really care. As I said, these two charts usually shut them up. So there's some other winners in there. See right here? Do a year to date for 2019 so far. Again, up, 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 up. Nice. So going back to our position log, I'll make this available on my blog. Okay, so that is the forex, and we want the crypto. So let's talk about EOS. EOS against Ethereum, as I said, so we'll do that. Remember, this is live. Let's see here. So we want Binance. Okay. So once again, this is EOS against Ethereum. I do know that this thing's working. It's been working for like last 3 days. But let me just see what I can pull up here on the coin market cap. So let's see. Here's the chart for EOS. Taking its time. Again, you can see the buy signal there. Okay, so again, this is another good winner, but over the last 2 days, this has been nothing but up and up and up. So let me show you the daily chart. That big move just right here at March 27th, just after midnight. Let's do a 5-day as well. Boom, nice. So when you look at cryptocurrency, the coin market cap, this is by volume. From my observations, everyone goes on, well, Bitcoin's down, everything else is down. That is a bunch of phooey. All the other crypto pairs or crypto currencies that I track on a big level, what we're talking about is Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Bitcoin and Ethereum Classic against US dollar. All of them are negative right now, but we're doing really good. You can see here by volume, EOS is number 4. Binance Coin, BNB, is number 7, so these are doing really well. Going back to our position log. So we've talked about EOS. The other one that is doing really well is Dash. Let's show that one. Again, that's Dash against Ethereum in TradingView. So when you get these kind of buy signals, will you be able to get them all the time? Absolutely not. You do need to do automation. You do need to make sure your strategies, your indicators, everything's working as it should. There's 3 steps that I go through. I talk about them slightly here and there in my Python course. So let's see what it looks like. Don't ask me why this is taking forever. The other one I want to show is XMR, Monero. Right now it's number, where is it? Number 13 in terms of volume. But we're supposed to have a down market. Look at these moves. Steadily down. It's not exactly what I would consider a winner, consistent winner. But it does okay. When it moves, it moves. But it's very volatile, as you can see. But when it moves, which my system will catch, all those up moves as it did today, it does well. So here, it is a buy signal today, but with these kind of negative moves, not sure if that's manipulated, nor do I care. Oh, I'm sorry, that's Dash. Sorry. Let me rephrase that. So Dash, is it manipulated? I don't know. as I said, I don't really care. But when it moves up nice. So we've seen a few of that the last few days. And where's the volume of this thing? Where's it rank? Number 15. It's doing okay, but it's consistently profitable when you want it to be. And there's your buy signal right there. And one last one we want to do is XLR against Ethereum. There's only one position taken for this. So let's call that up. And again, that is in, what's the ranking of that? Monero, number 13. So Dash is 15. So here we go. So it is up. Boy, oh boy, can it get any slower? So again, it's sort of a mixed message here. It's really in a flat range, but it does have a buy signal. Don't know. That one can do okay at certain times if the time is right for your strategy. Other than that, this is what we see. If you do want to know how to learn how to build these kind of bots, what we've got here is you come over to the store, quantlabs.net, click on the store button at the top there. What you want to look for is this course, Python 3 Infrastructure Building Block Course with Crypto. In there I talk about how to build all the major components that you need with the programming, all in Python, one of the easier languages to learn. And start learning. You can pretty well change your life, as both of these strategies are now are doing very well, I think. But what gets even more exciting on the forex side is I'm not considering the shorting yet. I'm also not considering the leverage, which is where the big money is to be made. All right, so we shall talk to you later. Again, check out the quantlabs.net/book to get some more books, and go from there. We shall talk to you soon. Have a good day.